APS injection therapy has a combination of anti-inflammatory factors and some healing factors which can help and affect your pain levels by reducing your pain, improving your joint stiffness and improving your function and mobility as well. This also delays or slows down further degradation of your cartilage, hence prolonging your joint life. In our Regenerative Therapy Center, the APS injection is given as a single injection in a clinic setting. It involves taking blood when you come into clinic, and this is spun in a centrifuge for a couple of times till we get a concentrate of factors that are injected back into the affected joint. The whole process roughly takes about 30 to 40 minutes, and you normally get back to your routine activities straight after. If you have any further questions regarding this or need any more information or want to find out if you're suitable to have an APS injection, please contact us and we'll get back to you soon regarding this.